Hello, it's Alex here from wpeagle.com. Now in this video what we're going to be doing is setting up some menus, or navigation as it's also known, because it's all very well creating pages and posts, but obviously people need to be able to find them, and the best way is by clicking on some links that sit neatly across the top of your website or down the side, and that's where your menu navigation comes in. WordPress has a great menu system, making it really easy. It's drag and drop and really friendly, so let's go and take a look. So this is the demo site that I've been working on. It's just a plain install of WordPress, and all of the videos in this playlist series are done on this website. And at the moment we haven't got very far, so let's get on and add some menus. So I'm already logged in. I'm going to go to the dashboard. This site has only got 2 pages I think at the moment, so we'll just add them to a menu so that we can get to them. So I'm going to go into Appearance and Menus. So I'm just going to call this main menu, so give your menu a name, and then click Create Menu. And here it is. So now I can click the pages I want to add. So I've only got the 2 pages, the services and about. I'm going to click those there. So the pages are added to our menu, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the location. So this theme has got 2 locations, and I'm going to go for the primary menu, which will obviously be the main menu. So let's have a look at what's happened now. If we go back to the front of the site, we can see that the pages are now listed here on the left hand side. Some websites have a menu on the left, some have it across the top. Obviously it depends on the theme you're using. So let's go back and just have a look at that menu, and it's, as I said, it's really easy to use. It's drag and drop, so if you wanted about to come first, we can do that. If you want to nestle some pages underneath each other, say for example using sub pages, have a look at the pages video if you're not sure about pages. You can just drag it to the side and then it nests it underneath. And let me just save that and show you what it looks like. See, it's got like again, this depends on the theme how it works. Sometimes you hover and it kind of drops down. This one's got a little clicky thing, but it gives you that kind of freedom to nest pages under each other. So I'll put that back to there. Just drag and drop. You've got this option here which automatically adds new pages to the menu. It can be handy. I'm going to turn it on for this particular demonstration. Generally I leave it off though and just add pages as and when I need to. You can customize what the link actually says. So even though the page is called About, you could call it About Us just by changing that label. Obviously it doesn't change the name of the page, just the name of that particular link on the navigation. If you wanted to just add a link to maybe another website, you can just type it in here. So we could link to Google. Let's say Google, and then we can add that to the menu too, and it works just like a page. So that can be handy if you need to link off to an external site or somewhere else. Categories are our blog categories. I haven't got any set up just yet. I'm coming to that video very shortly. I haven't recorded it yet, but yeah, you can add pretty much anything you need to. If you've got WooCommerce installed, you can add products, etc., etc. If you don't see them listed here, make sure that you check the screen options. So for example, things like tags and posts are not shown by default. But again, they can all be added to a menu in the same way that you had pages. Okay, so let's save when we're finished and go back and check our menus looking good. There's our link to Google, and that's menus and navigation. One last point I will say is you can add a menu to a widget. So if you want to put it in your footer or anywhere that you've got a widget, just use the custom menu widget. Okay, if you like what I'm doing, please click the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you soon.